Hi there, my name is Fabrice and you're welcome to FabWebTuts. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm just going to be teaching you about web design. Alright, so we'll be discussing about web design, look at the different people involved in web design, and also look at different web design languages. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so web design, as the name implies, is just the design or construction of websites using web design languages that can be viewed on the web or rather internet. Alright, so with that being said, let's look at web designers and web developers. That's people that are involved in web design and development. Alright, so web designers and developers are people who design or develop websites. These people are the front-end developers. Now, this set of people develop the content web users interact with. They use front-end languages such as CSS, JavaScript. Even though JavaScript can be used for backend through Node.js, we also have React, that's a JavaScript library, and also jQuery, another JavaScript library. Also, we have the backend developers. That's the second set of people involved in web design. Now, this set of people develop the backend logic of the website or web app. They use the backend languages such as Java, PHP, and Python to interact with web users' data in the database. Okay, so the third set of people that are involved in web design are called the full stack developers. Now, this set of people can develop for both front end and back end. They can use both front end and back end languages. Alright, so with that being said, let's look at web design and development languages. Now, there are several web design and development languages, but in this tutorial, we're going to consider a few of them. Now, we have JavaScript. The second one is Python. We have also PHP. We have Java. We have CSS. We have HTML. We have SQL, Swift, Perl, and Ruby. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next tutorial. Alright, so in the next tutorial, we're going to be talking about HTML and CSS. Alright, so we're going to be looking at what they are used for, and a brief history of each of them. Alright, so thank you so much, and peace out.